Good morning children. In this video we will learn a new chapter 15, shapes and patterns. First of all we will learn about shapes. Okay? Shapes of solid figures. The different types of solid figures are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. This is a cube, an ice cube, a cupboard box, a block are all the examples of a cube. This is a cuboid. A bus, a tiffin box, a fish tank are all examples of a cuboid. This is a cone. An ice cream, a birthday cap, a pencil tip are all examples of a cone. This is a cylinder. A can, a drum, a mug are all examples of a cylinder. This is sphere. A basketball, an orange, marbles are all examples of a sphere. Okay. Now look at these figures. This is a cube. A cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay. This is a cuboid. It has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. This is a cylinder. It has 3 faces, 2 flat and 1 curved face. Okay. These are top plain faces and this is a curved face. Okay. 2 edges and no vertices. This is a cone and it has 2 faces, 1 curved face and 1 plain face, flat face, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Okay. This is a sphere and it has only 1 curved face and no vertex and no edge. Understood? Now let's start exercise 15.1. Question number 1. This is HW. You have to do it yourself. Okay? Fill in the blanks. A rectangle has how many sides and how many vertices? You have to write here in the fill in the blanks. Okay? So, complete it yourself. Question number 2. Write the next sequence for each pattern. This is related to pattern and pattern is a sequence which make the next object on the set pattern. This sequence may be of numbers, alphabets or the geometrical figures. Okay. So, let's do it. Here we see that A given AB blank EF blank IJ. We have to look at carefully. Here AB, after AB we can write C D in capital letter. Then EF, then I can write here after EF G H. Then here IJ written. Then we have to write IJKL. Okay. Like this you have to complete these patterns of question number 2. Understood? Do it yourself. Question number 3. Continue the pattern. These are geometrical figures. Just look. Look these shapes properly. What are the difference between two shapes? First we see it is a triangle and the corner is at upside. Okay. Second one has also corner is at upside. Then third figure and fourth figures are also triangles, but their corners are downside. Okay. So, can you identify what we'll do next? Because it should be same pattern. So, the next two will be the two triangles whose corners will be at upside like this. We can draw next figure two triangles. Okay, like this we have to continue the pattern. Two triangles whose corners are upside. Now you have to do rest patterns of question number 3 yourself. Question number 4. Write the next sequence. Look it carefully. C, D, E. D is missing, then E is written. After E, F is missing, G is written. Okay. H is missing and I is written. Then it will be J and we will write K here. Then L is, after K we will write M. Then we will write N, O. Okay. Like this you can continue the sequence and rest are HW. You have to do it yourself. Now today's homework is exercise 15.1. You have to do it in your book as well as in your maths fair notebook. Question number 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay. Then mixed exercise 1 and mixed exercise 2. All are homework. You have to do it yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.